And look here.
Good morning, guys.
What you gonna do today is tracing a straight line. Okay, it's okay. Do a straight line, okay? Hold the pencil nicely. Yeah. Yes. Okay, go. Ano ba ito mo pencil? Oh, yan. Go. Trace a straight line.
What happened in there?
Oh, it's okay. Don't mind Kuya's eyes. Straight line. Like that. No curve, only straight. Go. More pa. Faster.
I love you, Mom.
I love you more.
Daddy is reading good, Mom.
Faster.
Daddy knows hold good, Mama.
Sige pa. Here pa.
Another time also working. Where, Mama?
Here pa. Here. Oh.
Where's your verse, Mama?
Sige.
Wait.
Go na.
Wait, why did you erase it?
Go na. So that you can do it again. Again and again. Like that. Good job. Good job. That. Another one.
Are you putting like right now?
Yeah, so that you can see the dots. There. Very good. Next. Next, anak. Here pa.
This involved in one, Mom.
Opo.
Mommy, there's two butt there.
Here pa. Faster. Here pa.
My daddy told me need money as ma.
Go na. Yan. Very good.
Mommy, let's go with again, ma.
Sige, go. Here pa. Here.
Oh.
Sige, go. Ayan. Very good. Next. Here pa.
Mommy, were we not doing this there?
Yun, dali. Yan. Very good. That's what I like. Here, listen to Mom. Here pa.
Papa Jesus is always help me, ma.
Yeah.
Papa Jesus have magic.
Yeah. And here pa, anak. Here.
Mommy, here.
Here po. Very good. Next, here pa. Here pa, next pa. Here. That. Make it straight line, not a curved line. Here pa, here. Yan. Very good. Nice. Next, faster. Here na, anak.
Are you doing by icing na, ma?
When you don't have sipon.
And ubo?
Wala na ubo, sipon na lang. Hindi pa.
Mom.
Listen to mommy. Don't be disturbed. Go. And very good. Very good.
Mommy, I'm not do it again, ma.
Yeah, go na. Here pa.
Don't do it again, ma.
Here na, here.
Oh.
Very good. More. Here pa. Very good. Last 3 straight lines and you're all finished.
And we're not doing much now?
No, later pa. Here pa. Here pa.
We're just doing
Dali. Here pa, anak. That's nice. And then here. Very good. Yeah. What do you call this?
matching.
Straight
Line.
line. Look here. What do you call this?
Straight line.
Straight line. Okay, trace and color activity. House. Guys, mag-makeup me, guys. Here's our makeup brush and our makeup from Everbelina palette. She's so excited, guys. Mag-makeup me. Makeup goal. Close your eyes, love. Close your eyes. Then blush. Blush naman. Blush. Blush na.
What?
Here.
And blush blush.
Can I see your face? So beautiful na ba? Let's cover.
Daddy not be mad.
Oh, maybe daddy will get mad on you.
But mommy makeup is so.
Because why you're putting makeup?
That's I'm moving you Ati, ma. I'm moving Ati.
Come.
I mean, my body is moving you Ati, ma.
Wow, beautiful.
This one na.
Wait lang, right pa. Kamay mo na, lakman mo na. Ano na, mami, right? Wow.
Mommy, this
Look mo na guys, look to the guys and look.
Mommy, ang big na po tubig.
Oh, ikaw pod. Wait lang. Oh, you hold the brush. Put the brush here sa pink only, ha?
Where?
Pink. Then put in your eyes. Look here sa...
And then...
Close your eyes. Can I see? Wait lang, worry. Whoa. Wait lang, worry pa. I'll clean mo na your makeup. Come here. Ganda. Worry pa na tima. Alright pa. Can I see?
Mommy, this na.
And then glitters. This one.
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Nice daw. Ganda. Close your eyes. Wow, ganda. Look here. Here's a big mirror. Ganda. Oh, ganda. Look, kita daw. Oh. Are you ganda?
Why?
Ado.
Wait, Mommy, why here?
Waray nga da. Wait. Let's put more.
Mommy, ba?
Mommy, bet. Waray nga yun na di. Close your eyes. Close. Look. Ada na?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay na? Can I see? Beautiful na ikaw? Can I see daw? Oh, beautiful na ba dito? Come on, look na, mami. Wait lang. Come on. Kit ka rin pa naman. Close your eyes. Close. Can I see? Close up here. Close up. Oh, beautiful na ba? Look mo na here. Kita daw si mami sa makeup. I'm a Barbierina. Dance mo na dance. Dali na. The mirror is so big. Let me see. Can I see your face?
Barbie, where?
Are you beautiful?
That's it.
Look mo na here sa camera. Look mo na. Picturean mo na ka ni mami. What if we call lipstick? Oh no. Okay guys, we're going to put lipstick. Lip serum. Okay. Lagi more pa. Can I see? Can I see how you do it? Can I see? Like this. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Can I see smile? Your teeth. What happened to your teeth? Why there's pink? Can I see? Why did you eat our lipstick? Why did you eat? Hala.
Why up here?
Where? Oh my dog. Complete ito. Ismail mo na, Ismail. Aura. Aura. You say pandesal?
What is that?
You say pandesal. Again, say it. Pandesal.
What is that?
Pandesal.
What is that?
Malunggay.
Monday. This.
Cheese.
Monday.
Mainit pa.
Init, Mommy.
Marasa.
Bas, Mama. Mamasa.
Palit na mo.
Palit mo.
Malunggay.
Monday.
Pandesal.
Babisal.
With cheese.
With this.
Gahi.
Tali.
Gahi. Shit, gahi man.
Gahi ma.
Pagbug...
One day. One day, one day.
Nak. Paya, waray sobra dapat.
There.
Wow. Can I see? Look here. Inap na pulang-pula na yung You say malunggay.
Malunggay.
You say pandesal.
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 Malunggay.
Malunggay.
With?
This.
Mainit pa. Mainit pa.
Mainit pa.
Again. Pandesal. Sige, tagin mo na. Pandesal.
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 Malunggay. With cheese. Mainit pa.
Mainit pa.
Dalit. Pink na imong lips, oh. Give na, mami. Give na, mami, ha. Pink, arang naka-pink yung mga lips, and then your teeth, oh. Your lipstick went to your teeth. Ew. Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Where? In where? In fried chicken? Don't touch. You're touching slime. You like the crunchy part only?
Yes.
I'll give mommy a smile first. Okay. Oh. Why? You say good afternoon, guys. We just woke up.
This is afternoon, it's morning.
A little bit morning. Anong a little bit morning? Di rin na morning. Evening na. Going to evening.
Morning.
I will never fall in love again. Ikaw po. Very good. Yeah? More? Yeah! What did Kuya say to you? What did...
Follow.
Look there, look there. What did Kuya say to you, no?
Follow.
Bawal.
Follow.
Bawal magsulod sa play area si Rina muna. Because gin-disinfect nila ang play area. Rice? What do you like? Alright, puchuk na ikaw. Let's show them here. This one. Sonic.
No, it's not long.
Oh, what's that? Sonic play. Sonic 3. This one is Rina's Sonic 3. You like this? Like this. This is how you show them. Don't hide them like that. You love it. How many of this how many do you have like this?
Only one.
How many na? How many toys you have like this in your house? 4. Yay, only 4. 4 na guys.
I will buy another one.
We will buy another one.
Wait, why did you put me for? Why?
Oh, it looks nice. You show me. Look guys, oops.
My you.
Boing, 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 boing. I'm angry. I'm angry at you, Mom and Rina. You didn't bought me French fries and spaghetti. I'm angry. He really looks like angry. Boing. Boing, 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 boing.
Doing, 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 doing.
Touch the phone. Some of your nappy full na love.
No, nothing here.
Usually just the R. Pandesal.
Pawisa!
Pandesal.
Pawisa, pawisa, that's okay.
Pandesal.
Pawisa, wina.
Listen, pandesal.
Pawisa.
Look here lagi. Pandesal. Nak. Pandesal.
Pawisa.
Malunggay.
Monday.
Cheese. Tag-isa.
Pawisa.
Palit ka mo.
Palit. Email.
Init na.
Init na.
Marasa.
Marasa.
Paso.
Paso.
Sana all.
One ano.
Sana
One ano.
all.
Oh.
Again. Pandesal.
Pawisaw.
Pandesal.
Pawisaw.
Malunggay.
I won't die.
Cheese.
I am older now.
Guys, we'll have a Goldilocks.
Don't like
A
this.
Snow White.
And very long.
Oh, sige daw. Testing daw natin si Kat guys kung memorize niya. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named
No white.
the
Jewel.
was so
Jealous.
of her
Pretty.
that she
Order your handbag. Like no white tip in orange. And that is
and leave her
hind.
behind. Memorize siya guys. Oh. The poor girl. Sit down.
No, maybe.
Sige. The poor girl wandered all night and finally came upon a tiny where she
Marie Beans.
where she saw little man.
How to write.
Oh, memorize na guys. When the 7 dwarfs heard what had happened, they asked Snow White to stay with them. Before going to work every day, they told her to be careful and not to let anyone in while they were. When the evil queen found out where Snow White was, she disguised herself as an old woman and took a
apple
to
Snow White.
one bite would make her
Forever.
memorize siya, guys. And so it happened. Snow White fell into a deep sleep. One day, a handsome prince
Blowing in worries
rode in the forest
and wine weeping fruit.
and found the Sleeping Beauty. When he,
You see,
the curse
there she's booty.
was broken, and
You and never receive.
Snow White,
Snow White. You see,
Snow White woke up.
Snow White woke up.
They returned to
Their dozen,
where they
their married,
and live
deep in worries,
happily
ever at their end.
and memorize you guys.